Levy Event Plaza has the big celebrations. West Park has the new playground. Square Plaza has the Mustangs. Soon, those parks and others will have another notable feature: free Wi-Fi.
I think it's great. I think it's something that our residents are really going to enjoy.
Irving has been trying to move forward with smart cities type initiatives. This is a huge project in that regard. It'll be able to provide Wi-Fi capability in our parks.
We watched crews install some of the equipment at the West Irving Aquatic Center. West, Center, and Lively Parks will be next. The install at Levy Event Plaza is nearly complete, and Square Plaza is already up and running.
It was actually a good feeling. I was driving by Williams Square yesterday and I looked over at the tables and I saw people there with their laptops using the Wi-Fi.
And even for us, some of the apps that we use, some of the softwares that we use to monitor pool chemicals and things like that, all of those types of things require Wi-Fi. So not only does it benefit our residents, but it also benefits us.
The goal is to have Wi-Fi in all of those sites working by June. Residents will simply have to look for Irving Connects to access. The city is already looking at adding Wi-Fi in more locations, including Heritage Park.
I think it's going to be something that people are really going to thoroughly use. We're really looking forward to enhancing the experience of our residents when they come to our facilities, and this is just the latest step.
That means this summer, Irving residents will be able to enjoy sun, fun, and now surfing the internet. Thomas Gandy for City Source.